Class is in session. The shit is never going to happen again. Not on my watch. Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to use your copinosity and not your holotology. Wait quickly. I need to fix my hair. It's looking a bit more full on the one side than on the other side. Also, look at this cute set. It's not a matching set. This is from Mr. Price. It's in the size super small. That's the only size that fits me, but it is actually a bit too big for me. Your girl is super tiny, okay? Super tiny. This is in the size extra small from Cotton On. And it's just, I love the colors, I love everything. Okay, focusing, copinosity and not holotology. Number one, if people want to talk about you, you let them. You don't set the record straight. It's not your job. It's not your place. Even if you know the things they are saying about you. Even if somebody is coming aan with gehoorde stories en hulle dra die gehoorde stories op papier met 'n koppie met oor. You don't have to say, it's not like that. That is not what it is. No, this is the truth. This is how it actually happened. This is what I actually said. Because you know what? These people that are talking this, gossiping, snaky bullshit, it doesn't matter what you say. It doesn't matter what you say, how you try to defend yourself. It doesn't matter what you do. They've already made up their mind to be against you. So even anything you say will be used as, yeah, that one, yeah, exactly that's why I don't like her. And that is what they're going to, your own words are going to be used against you. Why do you want to give them your own words to use against you? Let them believe these stupid stories. Let them, because when the truth comes out, and baby girl, baby love, my babes, I promise you the truth will always come out. Whether you bring it out on a different time, or whether somebody else sets the record straight, but in that moment is not the time to set the record straight, but I promise you the truth will come out. The light will shine. But okay, let's say you want to bring the story out. You want to set the record straight. Okay? You are going to have receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts on receipts. That's the only way. That's the only way. Because if you don't, if you just go to somebody and say, you know what? Let's just make an example. You know what? I really don't like the way that you didn't stand up for me. Let's just make it me and Virgin Active. I go to Virgin Active and I tell Virgin Active, you know what? I feel so... because you didn't stand up for me. And you said that you were going to, and your member code says that no bullying, no harassment. That's what you said. And you didn't stand up for me, even though that's what your member code said. They will turn around exactly the way they turn around and gaslit me. Even though I had receipts, they will turn around and say, what do you mean? What are you talking about? I did everything I needed to do. What do you actually mean? Okay. That's what's going to happen if you don't have receipts. I had receipts and it happened to me. The only thing is now I can say, but no. So actually, I know that you said you did everything that you needed to do, but actually, that's not the case, babes. That is not the case. So imagine if you go to somebody and you don't have receipts, how they're going to gaslight you. Use your copinosity, babes, not your holotology. Alright, mother's child? That's how the number changes.